Number 3. Insta360 ONE RS. Capture your adventures like never before with the Insta360 ONE RS. This camera shines with its modular design, allowing you to interchange the wide-angle 4K lens with a 360 lens or a camera equipped with a 1-inch sensor. This unique feature sets it apart, giving you flexibility for any shooting situation. Video stabilization delivers smooth footage, although it doesn't quite match the performance of the GoPro Hero 10. Enjoy framing yourself while shooting with its flip-around display, making vlogging a breeze. Size plays a significant role too. It's compact, which is great for portability, but navigating on-screen menus can be tricky. A small frame is needed for mounting. This design offers versatility but means you'll need to plan ahead before heading out. You won't run out of creative options with the ONE RS. You can effortlessly switch lenses based on your needs, capturing stunning landscapes or close-up action shots. What stands out most is its adaptability, accommodating various adventures without missing a beat. Each lens enhances your creativity, ensuring no moment goes unrecorded. On the flip side, the compact size makes menu navigation a bit of a challenge, especially in fast-paced environments. However, with a little practice, this can become less of an issue. The Insta360 ONE RS brings innovation and versatility to your shooting experience. For those seeking a modular design action camera, it's worth a closer look.